Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're talking about K-1 fiancé visas, specifically in the context of Thailand. We do assist folks from other countries, but for the most part these days it seems like all I'm doing is Thailand cases. That said, a big question that gets posed a lot with regard to a K-1 fiancé visa is, once I get her to the United States, it's usually a her, once I get my fiance to the United States, how long do I have to wait, and what happens if she leaves before the adjustment of status, before the green card is issued? The answer to the question of what happens if she leaves is, if you don't get advanced parole, what's called an advanced parole travel document, which I'm making another video contemporaneously with this one discussing that, but if you don't get one of those before leaving the United States, then the visa completely extinguishes. The K-1 fiancé visa effectively dies at the moment that that person departs the USA, if they do so without advanced parole. So that brings up the next question. How long does it take to get advanced parole? Well, it's hard to say. But that said, failure to get it and leaving the United States results in the visa just completely extinguishing. So the thing to take away from this video is you need to really make plans sort of not only ahead of time, but also make plans in such a way that when you arrive in the United States, you have ample time to remain there to either process the green card through or understand that it could take a substantial period of time to get the advanced parole travel document issued. And look, this is one of those videos I really hate making. There was a time when adjustment of status took like 6 weeks. And I remember when the changeover happened some years back, and it was just silly because there's really no value added. I don't see why this needs to take this long, especially when you go through a tremendous vetting process as a result of the K-1 fiancé visa to begin with. So that being said, the thing to take away from this video is, if you leave the United States without advanced parole, it will extinguish the K-1 visa and you will start back at square one. You'll have to get some other kind of visa in order to return to the United States.